Are important. You are very, very important in this world. We have a saying and we love to say it a lot. I don't know if you say it, but I have said it many times. And then one day, that saying hit me like a ton of bricks. And the saying is, treat people how you want them to treat you. I used to say that all the time. Treat people how you want people to treat you. I tell that to my kids. I remind myself that. And it was just something we say without even thinking. And when that happened, it was like an enlightenment. I was like, we always say, treat people the way you want to be treated. But really and truly, most and some people don't know how to treat others. They just don't. And it is because they were never treated right before. They were never treated right before. So there is no way they can treat you the way you treat them. No matter how you treat them, they will always never be satisfied. And they will treat you wrong because they don't know how. They don't know how to treat you. You might treat them with kindness. You might treat them with love. You might treat them with care. But they don't know how to return those things back to you, or to somebody else, or to themselves, because they don't know how to treat themselves right, because they were never taught, or they never knew, or they never learned how to treat themselves. So when you come across them and you treat them right, you won't get the same thing in return. It just will not happen. That is why, even when I do say treat others the way you want to be treated, I still say it lightly. Before, I would when I say it, it's like, yeah, this is what I expect. I treat with kindness, you should return kindness. But because I treat that person with kindness, doesn't mean that person have to return kindness to me, because they don't know kindness. It's like sometimes, take for example, you meet someone, like a friend you haven't seen in a while, and then you hug them, and you're so excited you don't feel the same energy from them. Not that they're not your friends, but maybe something is going on. And it just happened that today you meet them and they're just not in the right headspace or the right heart space. So your hug maybe bring a lot of comfort to them, but their hug felt cold and unappreciative to you. And when those things happen, we don't like the people. We have to try and understand they might just not be in the right space. They maybe were not taught how to love themselves or appreciate themselves. So when they come across people who do it, they cannot turn around and do it for you, because they just don't know how. And that is something we have to be aware of, because there's some who truly just don't know how to love themselves, so they cannot show you love. And that could be for many, many reasons. So keep that in mind. This is the green eye look for Taurus. Taurus start April 20th to May 20th. The color for Taurus is green. So I created a green eye look. Treating people the way we want to be treated. When you say those words, remember, you might be saying to somebody who does not know how to express themselves.
This concludes today's eye look. Always remember you were first, and I'll see you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Somebody who doesn't know how to love themselves, or somebody who don't know how to return that verbally, and maybe might be able to do it with an action. So be cautious. And for you and me, let us not be quick to judge. Again, remember, you're fabulous.
Bye.